Here are 5 things you didn't know about the electricity flowing through your body right now. First, your heart generates enough electricity to power a small LED light bulb. Every heartbeat creates electrical impulses strong enough to be detected from across the room. Second, your brain transmits electrical signals faster than fiber optic internet cables. Nerve impulses can reach speeds of 268 miles per hour, making your thoughts lightning quick. Third, the static electricity you build up can actually fry electronic devices. That shock you feel touching a doorknob carries thousands of volts. Fourth, electric eels evolved the exact same voltage systems as human neurons. We're essentially running on the same electrical blueprint as these underwater power plants. Fifth, your body's electrical field extends 8 feet beyond your skin. Specialized equipment can detect your bioelectric signature from across a room. You're literally a walking electrical generator, producing enough power every day to run a small appliance. We're all living lightning bolts.